Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a review of Gatorback Lifted Truck Mud Flaps by Truck Hardware. Before we get started, I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm also including product links for this product in the description below, so don't forget to click on those and check them out. Gatorback Mud Flaps are produced by Truck Hardware out of Canada, and in the United States they're sold by sharptruck.com and realtruck.com. They're made for many different makes, models, and applications, and even custom. Like today we're reviewing the lifted truck application, which gives this hardware here to allow for trucks that may be lifted and have wider or taller oversized tires to give more coverage not only for your vehicle, but whatever you may be towing behind you. And this consists of a 304 stainless steel backplate and mounting plate that's covered in the black here is covered in a nylon and fiberglass coating to help protect it and give it that black appearance. This lower portion here is a heavy duty, high density rubber. It's really heavy and tough. And then on the back here, we've got a stainless steel backplate that not only adds appearance, but gives it a little more stiffness and rigidity for knocking down those really tough road debris and gravel. It also comes with stainless steel self-tapping screws so that you can mount them without having to pre-drill any holes. These custom stainless steel backplates can come with many different logos. As you can see here, we've got the Ford FX4 logo. Usually any kind of branded logos like Ford, Chevy, Dodge, anything like that, is going to cost a little bit extra for this logo appearance. I believe this plate in particular, to replace it would be a $75 cost just for one of them. So it does have a little bit of an added cost for that custom appearance and OEM look. So let's cover some of the pros and cons. We'll start out with the cons first. So the first one I have is occasionally you need to check these because it seems like they can come a little bit loose with how they're secured. So you notice here, this bottom half, there's 3 screws in here. This bottom one appears to be loose. It's not going to come off, but it's just good to check every once in a while and make sure that they're tight so that you don't lose a mud flap while driving down the road. This also leads us into our next con. So my second con here is that these mud flaps are not indestructible, and given the right situation, they can break easily. So I had an isolated incident where we were parking our camper in a boondocking location. There was a little bit of a drop off. I had backed up, I pulled forward, the rear tire came off the ledge, and the rear flap here was still kind of dragging on the dirt. I didn't notice that, and I backed up and it broke the mud flap off right on the rubber portion here. Just sheared it off almost exactly across one of these lines. And I didn't realize that until after the fact that we had parked, that it had broken off. And this leads us into our pros. First of all, the customer service and warranty is outstanding. With our situation on the broken mud flap, I reached out to Sharp Truck and they were so quick to respond and make sure that we had the right replacement material to fix our situation. We didn't even purchase these ourselves. We bought the truck used 5 years ago and they came on the truck, but they were no problem wanting to offer that warranty and get our replacement mud flap to us as quickly as possible. So this gets us into our second pro, that these are great mud flaps because of their durability and ability to keep not only our truck clean, but also protect our truck and our camper as we're towing it behind it. Another thing is the OEM appearance of these mud flaps are just incredible. They look great. They look like they came straight from the factory with them on, and it's just really hard to beat, especially with the FX4 logo. It just matches the truck really well. I always get compliments while we're on the road. Everyone loves the appearance on them and they want to know where they can buy them. So this wraps up our review of Gatorback Mud Flaps. They've been an incredible product that we highly recommend for your truck, SUV, whatever you may be towing to protect it, keep it clean longer, and it looks great. If you're looking where to buy these, I have a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Thank you for watching my review. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.